CandyKids Adventure.
Hello, kids! Welcome to our Feelings Freeze dance activity. Get ready for a fun and expressive time. I'll be playing some music, so when I say dance, you are going to dance. And when I say freeze, you are going to freeze and show the feelings on your face. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Great moves. Let's dance. Now let's get ready to freeze with a happy face.
No moving.
Let's dance again. And freeze with an angry face.
No moving. Let's continue dancing. Woo! More energy, please. Now let's get ready to freeze
With a sleepy face. Show me your sleepy face. Let's dance again. Dance, dance, dance.
freeze with a surprised face.
Are you surprised? Great job!